Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today on this video I'm going to be sharing with you what I pack on a quick trip. So I picked up last minute this bag from Target and I had a whole ordeal about my bag. I didn't have a weekender bag, first of all. I don't know what happened to mine. I think I threw it away or something. I wanted a bag. I went and I needed it last minute. I didn't have time to wait for shipping, so I went to Target, but I had a few specific things in mind. I was looking for black, but I found a brown. Luckily, I didn't want pink, blue, and all those, odd shades that you typically see in the women's section, unfortunately, in some stores. I was lucky enough to find this. I don't know how, it just kind of popped up, and I guess it was just fate. Somebody looking out for me. So it's this weekender bag, pretty standard size. Yeah, and this is what the insides look like. Pretty spacious, yeah. So I'm just gonna show you what I pack into this bag, what I'm going to wear. This really neat find this really neat tool, gadget, goodie that I found on Amazon for my toiletries and makeup. First things first, the towel, which I typically pack on the bottom. I got this really pretty towel from Home Goods. It's got some really cute tassels on the bottom and some blue stripes I'll throw out. So I'm just going to fold that nice and flat and store her on the bottom of the bag. This will just be the flattest part of the bag. Everything will sit kind of on top. And this is a beach towel. This isn't like a bathing towel. I typically use the hotel towels to bathe. Alright, so we've got the towel. Now we need the clothes. So, for the clothes I wore, I bought some white linen shorts. Hold up really small. A white linen shirt button down for over the bathing suit or just to wear. The linen button down and shorts were a set, and they were from Cotton On. 2 bodysuits of the same kind, a white one and a black one. These are both from Shein. The black bodysuit. And this is just a 3-day weekend, by the way, but I do kind of like to plan just in case there is some sort of fashion malfunction. Black shorts, because I wear them all the time. I really, truly cannot live without them. Yet another bodysuit. This one is from Aritzia. A slitted midi skirt, because you never know when you may need a somewhat dressed up outfit. This is going to be at the beach, by the way, but it couldn't hurt to have something a bit more form-fitting. Now let's throw them all in. We of course cannot forget about the swimsuit. This one is from Monday Swim. And some comfy sweatpants to sleep in the hotel in case it is cold. So I only packed 2 pairs of shoes because I knew this was going to be a short trip and because I was a bit short on space. So I packed my sneakers, and these were my travel shoes, and then I packed these little sandals from Keys. I always wondered how to pronounce this, but yes. These are the shoes that I packed, and it was super easy to pack in just because this was the only thing that got in the bag, so I was really saving space. And these are my bulkiest shoes. And once I got to the hotel, I just unpacked everything and hung on and that just leaves room for my toiletries. Okay, so here is my toiletry bag that I've been raving about. I kind of unraveled it just because I had to put on my makeup and I never unpacked it. So I want to kind of show you all the fun compartments that are here. So I'm just going to show you the different fun compartments it has. For this bottom one, I kept my washcloths, brand new beauty blenders, and some reusable cotton rounds in here. I don't have a washcloth in here at the moment, but this is where I would keep it. It was actually really helpful. This bag came with a few reusable pouches, so I put some of my face wash in this one, body wash in this one, and then I put micellar water in this one. And it was really useful with just taking care of all my bath needs. So we're just going to pack those right back into here. And they come with these really neat elastic fasteners to keep everything organized and in place. Typically I would have my toothbrush in this area also, probably sealed in a Ziploc bag and wrapped with a paper towel, but we're going to have to use our imagination for this video. And the next compartment, the messiest one unfortunately, is my makeup area. And I'm just going to pull them out and show you just because I've made a mess of it just today. So I packed 2 of my makeup brushes. I use this for powder and this for blush. And speaking of powder, I've got 3 powders actually. I've got two L'Oreal powders. And then I've got a NYX loose powder. The makeup tool I swear by is NYX Wonder Stick. A contouring stick. 2 blushes. Bella and NYX. The contour stick is by Fenty Beauty, by the way. Maybelline mascara, my absolute favorite. Charlotte Tilbury liquid lipstick. Another mascara by Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk mascara. Of course, the eyelash curler. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, it's like glitter for the eyes. Some cream eyeliner. A lip pencil. Another eyeliner. This little sample thing here from Cora Organics, a luminizer, which is great as a highlighter for myself, basically the same thing. A dirty beauty blender because I used it. And then a tool for the cream eyeliner. And then I also have and then also I keep a bottle of perfume, This one is White Diamond. Unfortunately, it's the only one that I have that was travel friendly. It was gifted to me from my parents, so I put it to use to be with me. And then in this last pouch, I kept a few liners and some wipes in here just in case. Okay, so now I'm just going to pack this all in all over again and show you what it looks like packed up. Also, this comes with a really neat hook to hook it up inside of the bathroom so you don't have to set all your things down on the counter. inside. Anyway. Voila. For my hair, I kept it really simple also. I bought a comb just in case I needed to part my hair. I bought a brush to brush my hair. And then I typically like to avoid heat as much as I can. But at the beach, you really have to just kind of plan for emergencies. You just never know what might happen. You might get your hair wet in the ocean, literally just dipping your toe in. Or it may rain on you, and so I bought my hair dryer, and this is a Revlon brush hair dryer, and it just kind of dries my hair really quick and gives me kind of a close to a blowout finish. And lastly, the final thing going in is a tiny little backpack that I like to take traveling when I want to sort of go exploring or just take to the beach. I really didn't need a purse for this kind of trip, mostly because it was going to be a trip that was mostly at the beach, so I preferred a backpack to carry all my things. But of course, that's not just it for what I've taken traveling. So if you've been following me on YouTube, Instagram, or any of my social media platforms, you would have seen this bag for years and years, and this is my Fiorelli tote bag. It's just the Old Faithful, and I pulled it out for this trip just because it's matching, and I really just hate having mismatched things. So I use this tote bag as my, almost like a carry-on. Sort of like a carry-on, if you will. And I'm just gonna show you some of the things that I packed in there. So apart from car snacks, I've got my wallet, of course. And this is just a really big wallet that I keep everything in. I've got my 2 journals. These journals, this is sort of my more personal journal. More personal journal, almost for my, mental health. And then this is just my planner journal. I bought my sunglasses with me because, of course. I bought a mask because, well, we need masks these days. I have an umbrella on me because you never know what the weather's gonna be like during your travel time, so some lotion, which is definitely necessary. I forgot to mention in my Toiletries bag, I actually did have a moisturizer also in there, but I unpacked it and I guess I just forgot to mention it. There is a moisturizer, and I want to say there was a serum also. And sunscreen. There was definitely sunscreen. Please pack sunscreen. I'm crazy, and actually it's probably not that crazy, but I bring tea bags with me when I go to work, when I travel anywhere. So yeah, I took some tea bags with me because I knew there was going to be something in the hotel. We had a little kitchenette hotel. Some more liners, just in case, and a pen to write with for my journal, even though there's a pen in each of them already, but just in case I have another one. I've actually had a little bit more makeup, and I have these, this is a lip oil, a tinted lip oil, another lip liner, and then a Brow Boss gel from ColourPop. And then lastly, packed with me is a book that I traveled with, and I chose this book, How to Do the Work, by Dr. Nicole LaPera. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so that is everything that I packed in my personal bag. Done, right? Wrong. My last bag that I packed is actually a technology bag. I packed a separate bag for my technology because I didn't want to stuff my bags, and I didn't want to compromise on what was being taken. So yeah, I packed 3 small bags, and one of them is a bag separately for my technology itself. And I did this so that I can have everything organized and I could know where everything was. So let's take a look at my technology bag. So this is a backpack also purchased from Target. I live right by a Target, so all of my last minute purchases are done from there. Yeah, so this is my tech bag. And the things that I packed with me, and this has lots of space for different things. Of course, I packed headphones. You just want to be prepared. So, laptop, of course. I have my phone charger and my laptop charger. My cords, I think this little pocket as well. I can't pack you now, but I actually had my camera packed inside of my tech bag as well as my tripod. Just never know, not everyone is willing to take Instagram worthy pictures for you, so you kind of have to be prepared to do it yourself. My laptop charger, of course. Charger box, which always seems to be missing in the wrong time, so I had to buy new ones. So this is a brand new one. And then I've got 2, not just 1, but 2 power boxes, portable, which have several different kinds of ports in there. Can you even still see me? So this is all that I packed on my trip, my 3-day weekend, from Memorial Day weekend to the beach to Destin, Florida. 1, 2, and 3. It's not too bad. I really don't feel like I packed a lot. I won't lie, they were very heavy, especially this one, of course. But I mean, naturally, and I do have noodle arms, so, you know. If you're interested in any of these products, I will link them down below, especially this little Target number. I'm going to be looking for it. I do, however, plan on finding another weekender bag. I do specifically want a black one, and I want one where my shoes are going to be packed separately. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and liked seeing what I packed on vacation and want to see what I would pack for a longer one. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.